Hey guys, let's start. Before learning JavaScript, we need to set up our development environment. I recommend that you install Google Chrome. In my opinion, Google Chrome is the best when you're working with JavaScript. But if you consider comfortable using other browsers like Mozilla or Safari, then you can use that too. Also, we need to install another text editor. Now, Atom is a very good text editor. We know there are plenty of out there because we have sublime text, we have brackets, we have plenty of them. Now, in my opinion, it is the best browser, Visual Studio Code, when you're working on JavaScript, and it is also available for all the operating system you have, like Windows, like Linux, whichever distro you are using, based on that, and it is also have the Mac. So, and it is also open source, so you don't have to pay for it, so which is very good. And now you can just go to this page. You can go to this page. Okay, sorry for this. Now you can just go to this official website and download it. And I already installed it. I just open it up. Okay, now open a new window. Okay, and create a new folder here. Create a new folder called learning JavaScript JS, and that's it. And after that, you can open this. Now you can go for this, and after opening for the first time when you open VS Code, and you can open it via this. You can go to this folder where you can put all the files in. Then you can just type cmd and open the cmd, and then you can type code space dot and enter. When you do that, it's also open a new tab, which is already opening the learning JS tab. You can see there is, right? So that's it. You can close that out, and you can just click here to create a new file like index. Now you can type index.html. Then it's done. And there is a left panel, you can see there are, you can just click on the last item, and here you can see plenty of extensions. There are plenty of extensions which is very committed and very easy to use, and it's also very good for your programming skills, like live server. You have to have an install button here, and you just install it. It has some really pretty good features. You don't have to reload every time the browser when you write code, and it's already load very easily. And you can read this article, and you can just do that. And you have to install it and restart again the VS Code. And it is also recommended that you install JavaScript 6 and code snippet, which includes very good snippet and very auto completion, and that's pretty much it. And you can also use HTML snippet if you want. It's up to you. And I also prefer bracket pair colorizer, and you can install it. Installing it right now. So you can install it because it has some pretty good bracket experience. When you start a bracket with another bracket sense, then it will also close that bracket, and throughout which it will colorize. That makes it very pretty. And let's just reload this again, and now go to code, and now type our first code in that index.js. We can VS Code has already Emmet, which is a very nice tool to write HTML structure very easily. So for any small HTML part, you can just type colon exclamation mark and just enter. Hit enter, and you got everything you need for a HTML body and text HTML structure. And you get there, and you can do anything with the comment, like dot container if you want container. Enter. Just this, and you got a name class container. That's pretty much it. And if you want another thing like ul li into 4 and anchor tag, and that's enter, and you get that with all the anchor tag into it, and with all listing element by 4 in another list, which is pretty much good. And it is very much easy to use this Emmet, and you can install Emmet in other text editor like Sublime Text, and as well as text as well as Atom, but it is already installed in here. So that's it, and that's it for now today. But let me tell you this live server, what it does. There is a button, you can see this go live, and you just click it, and that's it, and it's open a new tab with all this. It doesn't have anything, right? So we just delete this. Okay, so now P, with P I write hello world. Okay, now save it, and that's it. I didn't have to load. I just, if I H1 and enter, and tricks for you, and that's it. Sorry for the error, and that's it. That's it, right? So we get the update, right? Pretty much it. And if you have to stop it, then just click it here, and it will stop the server. That's pretty much it. And we will learn in the next session. We will learn our first JavaScript program. So see you in the next video.